So you guys are going to be surprised when you go out today. You want to go outside? Want to go outside, Chloe? Okay. Here we go.
The Dingo's first deep snow.
First deep. What are you going to do with that? Oh my goodness. Where'd Lila go? She's buried. Lukey, what are you doing? Oh goodness. Oh goodness. I should zoom this in. Oh, my puppies. Oh. What are you gonna do, guys? What are you gonna do? Go potty. They'll survive. Should probably go looking for chipmunks in this. Lila, what do you think? What do you think? Oh boy, this is no DR. Oh, hello snow, Rhode Island snow.